will say, brother, in 4 miles here, we're going to be hitting 1,000 miles on the bike. That's going to be pretty cracker. Here we go. Let me just say, it's literally been just over a week since I've rode this bike, and it feels like it's been a month. I'm a little nervous. Alrighty, here we go. Gotta get back to the feel of this thing, dude. I don't know why, it feels like it's been so long. I guess right now I'm not gonna necessarily be talking about the bike. Not at this moment anyways. Basically, and this is kind of hard for me to do, honestly, just because of who I am and how I like to just keep hush on everything and, you know, not really tell everybody how I'm feeling. But if I'm gonna be honest with you guys, things have been a little rough for a while. Yeah. I can't even put into words what I'm thinking, what I'm feeling. But basically, you know, if you see me on YouTube, I am dang near every time gonna be, you know, kind of upbeat. I've never been one of those YouTubers that is like, whoa, hey, whoa, crazy. You know, never been crazy upbeat or anything like that. But I've always had kind of a positive outlook on everything whenever I'm recording. But to be honest, and as you guys have probably noticed, if you're actually one, which guessing by the people that I'm assuming will actually watch this, you're probably one of them that's actually been around for quite a while and actually watches most of my stuff. But if so, you've noticed that I lately have not been posting all the time. Well, I guess I should say every week, like I've kind of planned on doing. It's been kind of sporadic. And to be real, what is this guy doing? Okay. He's down in the swamp for some reason. I don't know. Anyways, what I was getting at there was that, you know, lately it's really been, my mental health has really been down in the gutter. And it's just been a mixture of shit with life, to be honest. Like, obviously the reason I'm recording this isn't necessarily just because I want to put it out there, but it's like this YouTube is what I truly want to do as a full-time job. Like, I want to be creating content even more than I, you know, have been when I'm actually doing it once a week with the regular videos and then shorts sprinkled in there as well. But it's been like the thought of recording videos and I guess just, I don't know, dude, just the thinking about recording videos and having to plan out videos, and this person behind me just wants to run me over. forgot there's car shows that go on there every Thursday. Forgot the people like to pull out in front of me. Hey, you see me, right? Good Lord, dude. See, I'm losing my train of thought, dude. I swear I have ADHD. And I had forgotten to shut my blinker off there. I believe what I was saying, though, was that just the thought of recording a video, getting my energy up even to like the neutral state that I'm usually at. I don't know why this car back there thinks they're gonna come ahead of me. They can fook right off, mate. Dude, I'm never looking to really speed all that much, but you know, everybody in the cars with the staring at their phones does. Blah, 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 blah. But anyways, dude, my energy's been so low for I don't know how long now. And, you know, to be honest, have had relationship issues for quite a while now, and it's taken a toll on both of us. And, you know, it's like issues there, and then at the same time, I don't truly want to be at the day job that I'm working at. And it's like I so badly just want the YouTube thing to take off, and that to literally just cover my bills. That's all I'm truly worried about at the moment. Like, if I could just cover my bills with YouTube, I'd be pretty fucking happy. But, you know, the stresses with the relationship and the job and struggling to pay bills as is, and, you know, my mental health, just everything, my physical health, which I think my physical health has a good part to do with my mental. But anyways, it's just like the stresses of everything that I have to deal with. Has really pushed YouTube to the back, and it's been a thing where it's like if I can get it. And yeah, it sucks, dude, because it really feels like I'm putting my dreams on the back burner. But it's like, what do you do? What do you do when shit doesn't feel like it's really going right? Like, the main things that you got going on with your life do not seem like they're going correctly, and it's nagging at you and pushing at you. Like, how do you get the energy to actually focus on your dreams and to actually work on them? I don't know, dude. See, there's some corners up here, but of course I'm stuck behind this van. But I don't know, dude. Like, this video isn't meant to be just me bitching about life, but at the same point, I am actually recording this just to get this off of my chest and to just, you know, just put it out there, I guess, of how I've been feeling, and just, you know, if you're feeling the same way, like, clearly you're not alone. Like, I will say that's one thing, that the way my relationship and work and all that's been going, it's made me feel alone. Like, I feel like I'm running on a fucking wheel of just trying to get by and not truly being happy. And I feel like I'm doing this shit all on my own. But yeah, I will say, brother, in 4 miles here, we're going to be hitting 1,000 miles on the bike. That's going to be pretty crazy. I remember when I got the bike and I was like just waiting to get to that 600 mile mark so that I could, I guess, get on it a little more, even though I don't really do that most of the time anyways. But I don't know, guys. That's really about all I have for you guys right now. I guess I just wanted to vent to y'all. I don't know, dude. I would say I'm not even going to tell you to like, comment, or subscribe. But if you could do those, that would be great. And yeah, I will plan on seeing you guys next time and being a little more upbeat about it. Thank you guys for watching. See ya.